What's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. This is one of my small accounts that I'm trading. I started this with I think $450 or so yesterday or so. Yeah, and then now it's already sitting at 2,177 if I close this current running trades. Just today, today is the profit. First in the morning we made profit $532, and now we're making 800 plus this. Remember, my philosophy still stands, guys. My skill and my craft is to build small accounts. Yeah, I do have big accounts. You've seen me trading them. I don't like disposing that information, because my YouTube channel is meant for me to show you that it can be done, right? And for my students and my mentees, tomorrow you will receive a message and an email or a message to your phone on WhatsApp. If you don't have a WhatsApp number, if I haven't WhatsApped you before, or you did something and you didn't receive any message tomorrow, please do get back to me. I'm also going to put out my my Telegram channel that I'll be using for you guys to be able to join a group. Maybe when I want to do signals or when I want to share something, I use that platform to share information. I use that platform. I'm going to give you all guys the information. There's no need to lose money in this, guys. I think the day before yesterday, I shared with my students during a live session, and I started receiving results yesterday in the morning. That shows you the value of what I'm doing, man. I appreciate you guys who are putting in the work to what I'm showing you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Let me see if I can take this thing to 10,000 by Friday. It is what it is, guys.